Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial for a equals to 1. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square and the rules of exponents for power of a product with two factors, product of two powers, and power of a power. Find the polynomial equivalent to the sum of binomial squares displayed on the screen for a equals to 1. As a first step, I'm going to substitute a with 1. When I do that, this equals to 1 cubed x squared y to the 6th power plus 1 squared x to the 4th power y to the 5th in parentheses squared plus 1 to the 4th power x y to the 4th power plus 1 squared x to the 6th y to the 3rd power in parentheses squared. When I simplify further, this equals to x squared y to the 6th power plus x to the 4th y to the 5th in parentheses squared plus xy to the 4th power plus x to the 6th y cubed in parentheses squared. As a next step, I will apply the formula for binomial square for the first binomial. This equals to x squared y to the 6th power in parentheses squared plus 2 times x squared y to the 6th power multiplied by x to the 4th power y to the 5th power plus x to the 4th y to the 5th power in parentheses squared. So next step, I'm going to apply the formula for binomial square for the second binomial. In this way, I get xy to the 4th in parentheses squared plus 2 times xy to the 4th multiplied by x to the 6th y cubed plus x to the 6th y cubed in parentheses squared. As a next step, I'm going to use the rules of exponents to simplify this expression further. This way, I get x squared to the power of 2, y to the 6th power to the power of 2, plus, in this next term, I need to multiply x squared with x to the 4th power, and then y to the 6th power with y to the 5th. This way, I need to add their exponents. And when I do that, I get 2 times x to the 6th y to the 11th power plus x to the 4th in parentheses squared y to the 5th in parentheses squared plus x squared y to the 4th in parentheses squared plus, again, for this next term I need to multiply x with x to the 6th power and y to the 4th with y to the 3rd power. This equals to 2x to the 7th power y to the 7th power plus x to the 6th in parentheses squared y cubed in parentheses squared. When I apply the rule of exponents for power of a power, I get x to the 4th power y to the 12th power. I just multiply the exponents for each. Then I just need to rewrite the next term, 2x to the 6th y to the 11th power plus Again, multiply the exponents for x. 4 times 2 is 8. X to the 8th power multiplied by y to the 10th power plus x squared y to the 8th power plus 2x to the 7th power y to the 7th power plus, again multiply the exponents for x, I get x to the 12th and y to the 6th power. In this expression, each term is unique. There are no like or similar terms that have the same literal parts. Therefore, I can't simplify it further, and this is the final answer for this exercise. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions. Thank you for watching and learning.